I'm Inductive. I am Principal SCADA System Developer working for Vantage Data Centers.
I'm Tosin Polly, Global Director for Automation Systems, and I work for Vantage Data Centers.
I'm Les Preston. I'm the Technical Program Manager for Vantage Data Centers EMEA. Vantage Data Centers powers, cools, protects, and connects the technology of the world's well-known hyperscalers, cloud providers, and large enterprises in innovative ways that scale to ensure reliability, efficiency, sustainability.
So we utilize Ignition Perspective System in all our data centers globally to design and deploy a platform used for control and monitoring the building management system and ancillary equipment.
Vantage Data Centers has been using Ignition as a visualization tool for over a decade, and the selection was seamlessly adopted when the company expanded operations to the region.
We use Ignition to control, access, and monitor the operation of essential electrical and mechanical equipment in our data center buildings.
With Vantage Data Centers' rapid expansion in the EMEA region, we were challenged with the industrializing SCADA deployments to build a framework and approach to deploying an average of 1,000 devices per building phase in a 12 to 18-month project execution windows without compromising quality or ease of use.
Ignition helped us solve these challenges. We are constantly reviewing and improving the design to support speed to market and operational effectiveness targets. Here's an example of an electrical lineup for a building that's in commissioning. Each one of these icons indicates a different piece of equipment connected to the system. Each colored hue around the icon indicates a status, from reds, oranges, and yellows being alarms, blues being out of service. If we take this revenue meter, for example, it loads the universal pop-up and shows the data that we're collecting from this device in real time. From here, we can change the view, see multiple panes, and view different alarms, trends, maintenance, etc. This universal pop-up is the backbone of the Vantage system.
For our project, we needed a modern, high-performance layout to enable operators access the real-time details of any device within 4 clicks, with a simple 8-color palette to easily identify equipment and system-related warnings and faults.
Ignition is a tool of choice for monitoring the building management system. One of the strongest benefits of Ignition is the inherent flexibility the tool offers for ease of development with the opportunity for functional customization.
The projects developed for the buildings using Ignition helps monitor, poll, and aggregate data required for compliance requirements across sites in different regions. The Perspective's mobile responsiveness was very useful in the design and development of the universal pop-up, created to automatically categorize and present data points as a pop-up, independent of device type and instance.
We coined the phrase universal pop-up for the one pop-up we use for all devices. This pop-up evaluates the data structure of the UDT instance and displays the tag data accordingly. It is fully automated, works with any industrial protocols, and incorporates a number of features, including integrated trending, alarming, maintenance, and commissioning. This tag-centric approach to building graphical elements allows for high-speed deployment with excellent quality and consistency visualized through the HMI.
Using the EAM to interconnect sites for a big picture data, we are able to extrapolate trends to continuously improve systems and processes, to potentially drive predictive maintenance schedules for critical and ancillary controls infrastructure. This functionality also offers us the ease of supporting updates to the project templates and controlled upgrades to the Ignition gateways. We developed a NOC for the region to support system health monitoring and event notification for all Ignition gateways and key performance indicators.